Hey guys, we're a testament of starting where you are. This is when we were living in Georgia, I believe 2019, 2020, and we just had a little porch on our apartment and we decided to go to Lowe's, get a raised bed, and Sky here obviously is an integral part of this process, or was an integral part of this process. She's been planting forever. Look at our beautiful juicy tomatoes that we got from this tiny little raised bed. We thoroughly enjoyed this, guys, trust me. And we didn't only plant tomatoes though. Look at the little trellis that we had. Memory lane. And this is Sky having fun trying to pick the tomatoes that aren't ready at all. And this is another view of our raised beds. You see those bags in the corner? Here they are again. We were growing carrots from carrot tips. Yeah, we were also growing garlic as well, and we were growing avocado. I had placed this avocado seed under the bed in the water. It sprouted. There it is, and you could see it growing in this little video clip here, and this was the avocado tree. So start where you are.